Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to go over some updates. We have some new coupons to talk about, and we have a freebie with overage. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button because it's a free way that you can help your girl out. And as always, if you have any questions, comments, deals you want to share, or if you just want to say hello, y'all know I love hearing from you, so please leave me a comment down below before you go. And also take a second to share this video with somebody that you know so that they can get in on these deals as well. Alright guys, let's jump right in. Alright guys, so first of all, I want to talk about an update on a deal that I kind of spoke about in the good deals and coupon matchups video that I uploaded on Tuesday, I do believe. So we have an instant savings deal this week at DG. Instantly save $2 when you spend $10 or more on all of these brands that you see here. So Campbell's, Prego, Swanson, SpaghettiOs, there's a lot included. So in that good deals and coupon matchups video, I told you all that we had the V8 Splash drinks. It's 46-ounce bottles. They are on sale this week, $3 for $5, and V8 Splash is supposed to be included in that instant savings deal. But when you put it into the app, say for instance you wanted to pick up 6, that's going to put you at $10. Now with the sale and that instant savings applying, that would leave you paying $8 for 6 bottles. Great deal, right? But unfortunately, the app was kicking out the sale and it was applying the instant savings instead. So it wasn't turning out to be such a great deal. So what I wanted to do was go into the store and try it out and see what happened at the register, because the app sometimes is wrong. Sometimes the register acts completely different from the app. So I wanted to go in and try it out and see what happened. So I picked up a total of 6 of the V8 Splashes. And what happened at the register was that it actually did not apply the instant savings deal, but it did apply the sale price. So $3 for $5. So if you go in to do this deal at your DG, you're going to pay $10 for 6 bottles of the V8 Splashes. Now again, this instant savings deal is a legit deal. We are supposed to be able to stack sale prices and instant savings deals, just like we're doing right now this week with the Scott bath tissue. Those are on sale for $4.50, but we also have an instant savings that we can apply to that as well. So what you guys can do, and what I did whenever I got up to the register and I realized that my subtotal was $10 and some change, I brought it up to the cashier. Now I did have a very friendly, nice cashier who didn't care to mark off the extra $2. But bring it up to the cashier, say, hey, I was supposed to get an extra $2 off for this instant savings deal. Be confident, act like you know what you're talking about, even if you don't. Okay, say I was supposed to get an extra $2 off. It should be $8 and some change, you know, with the taxes. And if they kind of give you a hard time, or if they don't know what you're talking about, all you have to do is go over and pull one of the DG ads. They're usually right up next to the register. Pull one of those ads out and then point out the instant savings deal, because it is an advertised deal in this week's ad. So hopefully that'll help y'all out, and at the very least you guys know exactly what the deal is going to ring up as, and you know exactly what you're walking into. And again, hopefully y'all have some friendly cashiers, some nice cashiers in your area that will just manually take off that additional $2. Now, if they don't do that at the register for you, I would definitely go ahead and call the customer service line or send in an email. You know, it can't hurt, and maybe you'll get somebody who will refund you that $2. Alright, now let's talk about some new digital coupons that we received. So first up, we have this 50% off one digital coupon for the Vlasic pickles. Now there's different ones that y'all can choose from. I also think there's like banana peppers included with this coupon. So this is the lowest price item. We have the kosher dill pickle spears 24-ounce jars. These are $1.85. So with that 50% off coupon, you're going to pay $1.35. Alright guys, next up we received this high value 5 off 1 digital coupon for the Azo products. Is it Azo or is it AZO? I have no clue. Either way, we have this 5 off 1 digital coupon. So you want to pick up the 20 count cranberry tablets. Those are priced at $3.45. Use that 5 off 1 digital coupon, and that is going to make it completely free, plus give you $1.55 in overage. Now, this little deal would be perfect to throw in with your 3 off 15 daily deals that I told you all about in yesterday's video, or you can save this coupon until Saturday and throw it in with your 5 off $25 scenarios, and that's going to get you an even lower out of pocket because you're going to have that overage, and that overage will apply to something else in your cart. All right, guys, now we're going to talk about a little sneak peek deal for next week at Dollar General. So next week, the P&G spend deal is back. So when you spend $15 on P&G brand products, you're going to get a $5 coupon on the bottom of your receipt. So this promotion will begin on Sunday. Now, I will be doing a video specifically on spend deals because there's a lot that we can do with this promotion. We can add in a 3 off 15 DG store coupon. We have a gain DG store coupon. So we do have a lot to work with and a lot to look forward to for next week. So make sure that y'all's notifications are turned on so that you don't miss out on any deals. Now, we do have some high-value coupons for P&G brand products right now, but unfortunately not all accounts received these coupons. So I wanted to go ahead and share with you all the links so that you guys can add these coupons onto your accounts. So first up, we have this 3 off 1 digital coupon for the box of Love's diapers. This coupon does expire on June the 30th. All right, next up, we have a 3 off 1 digital coupon for the Charmin 16 Mega Strong Rolls. This coupon expires on July the 10th. And again, some of you all may already have this coupon clipped to your account, but some may not. So I just wanted to go ahead and cover all the bases and made sure that you guys have the links so that you are able to add these to your accounts if you don't have them. I believe I had the Charmin coupon and maybe the Love's coupon on one account. All right, and next up, we have a 4 off 1 digital coupon for the 8 Double Plus rolls of Bounty paper towels. And this coupon does expire on July the 10th. Now, this particular coupon I had clipped to all of my accounts already. So again, it's just hit or miss. Sometimes these coupons are regional. Sometimes they're exclusive deals for certain accounts. You just never know. So I just, again, wanted to make sure that you all had these links and were able to get them on your accounts. Alright guys, so there you have it for our quick little update video for today. Now, just in case you all missed anything, I have uploaded a total of 3 videos this week going over all kinds of deals that y'all can do at DG this week. So first, I had the new coupons video on Sunday. Then on Tuesday, I uploaded the good deals and coupon matchups video going over all kinds of good deals. And then yesterday, I uploaded a video going over 11 scenarios that y'all can do any day of the week with that 3 off 15 DG store coupon. And in that video, there are some new glitches that I talk about as well. So if you missed out on watching any of those 3 videos, I'm going to have all of those linked in the pinned comment down below. So definitely go and check them out. Alright guys, so that is it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, if you're not already subscribed, please consider doing so, and don't forget to turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on any awesome deals. Also, please take a second, hit that thumbs up button for me, leave me a comment down below, let me know how y'all are doing today, and please take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.